So hello guys, welcome sa pangalawa kong video. Ngayon, meron na tayong bosses. So ito pala yung aking build and runes. Ayan. So today I am going to play Bruiser Yasuo. We are against Zed. Okay. Aray ko, hindi ko pa nakuha yung CS. And miss. Yung tinamaan din. All in tayo, level 1. Nakuha rin tayo, pero okay lang, worth it. Tinamaan siya ng ating grass. Duling. Aray ko, tinamaan ako ng tore. Watch tayo dito. Inabot, aray ko. Kuha tayo ng brutas. Sayang din natin na take down. Ayan, na-take down na natin siya. Oh, hindi ka na ako. Putik. Hindi ka na tayo matake ng tore dun ah. Safest to recall dito.
Wind of change.
Where's that?
Anger builds. Inevitable. Harness emotion.
Masyadong kinakabahan si Zed ah. Lagi siya nag second skill dun ah.
Love. It is all chaos. Fire.
Tingin ako ng passive.
The universe craves
Rock.
chaos. Never regret. Order is an illusion.
Okay, need the list here.
Anger builds.
Ah, wait.
Harness emotion. Wind of change.
Back muna tayo. Ay, sayang, may plate.
Only challenge can bring true change. Universe craves chaos. Wind of change. Darkness
Yo, tayo na take down.
mission. It is released.
Sayang.
The enchanted
Oop.
dragon have spawned.
Battle is my destiny. Harness emotion.
Sayang, wala tayong LS doon.
The universe creates
Sayang.
my blade, my choice.
Mission tayo dito sa taas. Nasa baba si Nidalee. Okay, pwede tayo mag-start ng DR.
Attack the dragon.
Magbabak si Nidalee. Grabe nga yan. Ulti tapos ano, second. Ultikan pa maagaw. Grabe na yan. Pero okay lang. Kuha ko.
Ally slain. Ally slain. Top turret is under attack.
Nidalee is gonna try to get the Herald.
Hate.
Ba't wala akong jungle? Lugi tayo dito sa dalawa.
Destroyed.
Okay. That's good. Namatay yung set. Namatay. Ah, ba?
Your team has slain the enchanted ensemble.
Craves chaos.
Ensemble has been summoned.
Yun.
Never regret that.
Kuha ko pa. Napatay ko pa. Anong ginagawa dito? Troll?
Emotion. Battle is my destiny. Anger fuels.
Wala. Tumakbo.
I am
Ally
embers of
slain.
the wind. The universe craves chaos.
Yan.
The universe craves chaos.
Slain.
I am a bit low on HP. Going to back out for a while. Let's try to defend. Kung kakayanin ko pa yan. Kaya pa. Kaya pa i-defend. Uy! Uy, grabe. Ayun.
Storm. I am the wind.
Nag-flash. Di ko alam ba't nag-flash yun. Tapos yung Nidalee tumalo sa pader. Di nakatalan. Awi. Okay. Take lang natin yun. Uy! Naman na naman si Milo, si Emilio. Uy, nag-flash. Grabe naman yan. On 3, meron na ako. Ayan.
Anger fuels. Darkness is not condemnation.
Uy, grabe naman ulti ng Ash na yun. Ano yun? What is happening, bro? What is happening? Ano nangyayari? Ayan, huli natin. Oh, nahuli na naman.
Dominating.
awit. Ano nangyayari?
Turret
Ano nangyayari sa mga kalaban natin? What is going on? Bro, what is going on? We should keep playing safe kasi hindi tayo pwede
This
makampante.
world needs to learn.
Pwede pa nila tong ma-turn off. Yan ang ulti yung Gwen, ginamit na kaagad. Ayun, tinamaan natin.
triple kill.
Okay, triple kill.
You are legendary. Top turret.
Let's go. Para silang AI gumalaw, pero hindi sila AI guys ah. Ayan oh, hindi sila AI.
Harness in builds.
Okay.
Unstoppable.
I am the lightning.
Nag-heal ka agad, grabe naman.
Harness in motion.
Perfect.
The universe craves chaos.
Ally slain.
Oy. Okay, mamamatay na tayo dito. Sayang. Hindi ko pa nakukuha tong item ko. Don't mind if I do. Let's get it.
And so darkness. I
25 pesos na lang oh, kailangan ko.
wind of change.
Oh. 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 Okay, galit na galit sila sa akin ah. Eh sa GG guys, panalo na.
Legendary.
GG.
Victory.
Ayan o. Turog silang lahat.
The universe
Oh, ako pa ang MVP.
trembles.
Nice. Ayan. Tayo ang may pinakamadaming damage. At ito ang damage ng ating runes. Not bad. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.